We're here to tell you that God, we know that He'll make you strong. You know, the Bible doesn't say if we walk through the valley of the shadow of death. It doesn't say if we're hated by the world. These are things that you can expect. These are things that are basically promised to you. You will walk through the valley, but you don't have to walk alone. What follows you into the valley? Goodness and mercy, new every single morning. He's a good shepherd, and He can be trusted. So if all you've got left is just one more breath, rise up in faith and just take one more step. We're here to tell you just